Serving artichokes at a dinner party seems like a really fancy food, and they kind of are, but they're actually very simple and such a treat for your guests, especially when you serve them with this great feta dipping sauce. I'm grilling my artichokes. I cook them first and then I throw them on the grill with some really great seasonings, and they are just phenomenal and they're really easy. Everybody's going to be impressed. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take these artichokes and snip off the little pointy parts of the leaves. Then I'm going to cut off the bottom and then cut the artichoke in half. That beautiful purple center is gorgeous, but you don't want to eat it. It's very fuzzy and unpleasant, so I scoop it out with a grapefruit spoon. You can use anything that works for you. Then I cook these in boiling salted water with some lemon. The lemon helps them not to oxidize. Then I'm going to drain them kind of upside down on a baking rack just to get all the excess liquid out of these before I grill them. I'm going to put a really nice spice blend on there with some olive oil and salt, which contains Aleppo chili flake or any chili flake you want. It gives it some spice, and then some za'atar, which is a wonderful Middle Eastern spice blend. Throw these on the grill and get a really nice char, and then serve them with a feta dipping sauce, or you can just serve them with melted butter. They're delicious no matter what. Not everyone is aware of how to eat an artichoke, but once they're cooked, these are grilled. They're really good and they're very well seasoned. And you pull off one of the leaves. They should come off very easily if it's cooked properly. The fleshy part is at the end. Dip it or don't dip it. Either way, it's delicious. And drag it through your teeth to get the fleshy part out. Really good. This is a beautiful lemony whipped feta sauce to go with these delicious artichokes. You gotta give it a try.